केज में आ जाएं। जीबी से जुहेब। जुहेब रेड कॉर्नर केज में आ जाएं। उसके बाद कस्टम से उस्मानुल्लाह ब्लू कॉर्नर, पुलिस से मोइज सत्ती रेड कॉर्नर। जुहेब रेड कॉर्नर, सेकंड कॉल जुहेब रेड कॉर्नर जीबी से केज में आ जाएं। 56.7 kg में जुहेब।
Here we go. The first pre-quarter final of the men's flyweight division. Mehraj Arif blue tape में, Zohaib red tape में. Oblique kick. Zohaib की तरफ से fight open करते हुए.
Zohaib has that long guard over here with his front hand reaching out. He's trying to gauge distance. against his opponent Miraj. That's a very striking centric approach. He's gonna have to watch out for his legs because Miraj will look for a takedown if Zohaib makes himself very inaccessible for the striking. But good approach from him. I really like it. He's trying to bait Miraj into a killer blow.
Striking battle, more of a chest battle. Outside leg kick and right straight follows for Miraj. Miraj, team Passion Spartans, pardon me, Underground Wolves के one of their main fighters हैं और इनकी jiu-jitsu के बारे में बहुत तारीफ होती है.
Zohaib is constantly also switching his stance, switching from orthodox to southpaw and back to orthodox now. This makes it very difficult for Merab to formulate a game plan, and great counter there from Zohaib.
Yeah, लेकिन Zohaib का stance काफी wide है, थोड़ा unorthodox है. अब तो stance खत्म हो गए grappling exchange clinch work के अंदर. लेकिन वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो not a conventional stance, एक normal stance नहीं है Zohaib का, but अभी Miraj आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अपनी field, अपने department वापस आ रहे हैं. Like I said, jiu-jitsu specialist, grappling specialist. उनकी कोशिश होगी, काफ़ी ज़्यादा फाइटर्स के लिए मसला होता है अगर उनको कोई टेक डाउन करके उनकी कमर के बल लिटा दे, लेकिन महराज के लिए शायद एक एडवांटेज हो, शायद ये एक चीज़ हो जो वो चाहते हो कि वो हो. ऑफ कोर्स आपको कभी भी ये नहीं चाहना चाहिए एमएमए में कि आप अपने कमर के बल लेटे हो, एक अपोनेंट आपके ऊपर हो.
Unless आपका नाम चार्ल्स ओलिवेरा है.
Or Miraj Arif, I guess. Let's see. I mean, he's trying to go for an armbar immediately, but well scouted. यही मसला है एक jiu-jitsu centric game plan का कि आप उस पर इतना rely नहीं कर सकते. अगर दूसरे बंदे को escapes आते हैं तो वो आपको continuously आपके submission से निकल के strikes मारता रहेगा, जिस तरह की Zohaib अभी कर रहे हैं इस fight के अंदर.
You can tell that Zohaib came into this fight with a striking mindset, but he also had a very good plan with the counter wrestling. He was able to defend that takedown very fast, almost like he anticipated it right at the moment Miraj shot in. And so he has used the round very effectively, employed not a lot of energy, but has done, I think, well enough to win that round. Round two, Miraj versus Zohaib. Zohaib in the red tape once again and Miraj in the blue tape. Again, Zohaib opens up with that long guard. And he's looking for that counter hook as Miraj moves in, but I think Miraj knew that, and that's why he was smiling over there as well.
Kashif Ali Qureshi, Waqar Haider, Saad Lodi, all in the corner of Miraj Arif. They have big hopes from this guy. They've been telling me about him quite a bit. He says nothing doing on those strikes. But again, Miraj needs to start putting something together. First round seemed like it went to Zohaib's favor, but too early to say. He's trying to get a touch of the glove so he can gauge the distance. Miraj.
There's a sort of urgency from Miraj's corner. You could hear them say, "Get time nahi hai," meaning that they are urging Miraj to move forward and to take this fight into his own hands. Oh,
Yeah, there was too much wind up on that kick. Zohaib saw that one coming from a mile away. He's moved out of position, and now Zohaib enters those striking exchanges.
and now Zohaib was the one looking for that takedown, but Miraj quick to get those hooks. He's got an over-under.
Yeah, Miraj is gonna push him up against the fence here.
Right up in front of us, and Zohaib gets a hold of that leg. He's going to be able to complete that takedown, perhaps. Yes, he is, and he's going to able to land himself into a very awkward position.
Yeah, I mean, again, Miraj cannot rely on trying to find a submission to win this fight. It's good that he has that ability. Good reversal here by Miraj right in front of
Yeah.
us. Very good job. I mean, it's good to have that ability to get submissions, but you can't rely on it to try and win a fight. But here he's trying to mix it up, get a low single, does complete it. Zohaib does have that grip. He's going to be okay in this position. Miraj has that head on Zohaib's chin to create some separation for the strikes. And Miraj is doing a good job here on top. 10 seconds left.
And pretty even now. We're going to be going into the third round. I think the third round will be the determining round over here, because both fighters have done really well in each round.
Yeah, Miraj was able to weather the storm here in round 2. Let's see what happens in the third and final round. Don't go anywhere. Lots of action tonight here at the National Fighting Tournament 3. Here we go, third and final round. Miraj taking a step forward here.
And as compared to the previous two rounds, Zohaib has a sense of urgency where he shoots into the takedown almost immediately. But great sprawl from Miraj. He's able to nullify Zohaib's counter. Zohaib's takedown attempt over there.
Penta El Zero Miura-esque package pile driver there by Miraj. Or attempt at least.
We're having too many pro wrestling references here from Daniel Nasser Mirza today.
Of course. The action is the juice.
None that are unwelcome.
None that are unwelcome, my friend. Miraj now कोशिश कर रहे हैं ट्रायंगल चोक लगाने की. टांगे उनकी बंध चुकी हैं. अब उनको प्रेशर देने की जरूरत है. यहाँ से हमें सही तरह पता नहीं चल रहा. उनके अपोनेंट के बाजुओं के बारे में भी बहुत जरूरी है. अब वो आर्म बार की तरफ जा रहे हैं.
Oh, that is in.
Miraj has that arm bar. It looks like, but again, Zohaib, good job of rolling out, but again, he's attacking that arm viciously.
Ooh, he's getting that. He's looking for that hyperextension very vicariously, but Zohaib, he's just trying to weather that storm. And Zaman Khan's looking at. Oh, Zaman Khan was looking very closely at that. He was ready to jump in. And Zaman Khan holds a hand to his heart, breathes a sigh of relief.
Yeah, he doesn't want to cause another upset amateur fighter over an early stoppage that is only saving them from their own good.
Oh, but he's into that position again. Zaman Khan, tough job being an official.
It's
Very
the
tough
toughest,
job.
honestly, toughest job in the tent is being a referee in this case. I mean, but nonetheless, Miraj Arif now.
He has that triangle.
Oh, he's also trying to go for an arm bar, but Zohaib is going to put that leg over now. Good recovery by Miraj Arif from the perspective of all 3 rounds. पहले 2 rounds में थोड़ा सा मसले में लग रहे थे मेराज आरिफ, लेकिन राउंड 3
but this time, no.
I mean, even if he doesn't get the submission, इस पोजीशन से निकलना इतना मुश्किल होगा ज़ुहैब के लिए कि वो आप समझ सकते हैं कि शायद मिराज राउंड जीत ही जाए इसी तरह. So it's not a bad thing at all. Zaman Khan now checking, making sure both fighters are okay.
All these submission attempts, they do add up to a lot of points in favor of Miraj. And Miraj is he's just got to be thinking, what have I got to do to get this guy out of here?
Yeah, Zohaib is resilient. Fourth time he's landed into
that same triangle position.
चौथी दफा मेराज कोशिश करेंगे ट्रायंगल चोक लगाने की, और क्यों नहीं. इस राउंड में मेराज आरिफ की जिजित्सु ने आखिरकार फायदा दिखाया है उनको एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, और ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि मेराज आरिफ इस राउंड को आराम से लेते हुए जाएंगे as we come to a close to the third and final round of this fight. Let's see how the judges see it. 3 rounds in the bag. First pre-quarter final of the 56.7 flyweight division. We will be back with the official decision.
And Miraj Arif takes that win. I think that was pretty clear after the last round who was going to take the fight. The first 2 rounds, they were pretty even. Each fighter taking each, in my opinion. But the last round was pretty clear. And Kashif Ali over there, soldiering on his fellow teammate.